Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to get the controller working for DNF Duel. Now when you launch the game, for some whatever reason, it only prompts keyboard options, which is a bit confusing. I'm going to get it so that the controller is what will be defined. You see, I'll have this link in the description for you guys to just download, but simply you'll copy all three of these things. You'll find wherever you have DNF Duel installed, which was a mistake for me to even go here, which I have it right here in my D drive, and you'll simply paste wherever you have the game installed, and then you'll launch the game. When it comes on, it'll show you controller prompts. It's that simple. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I just want you guys to see the control prompts before you end the video, so no you're like, hey, there's no control prompts. They don't start up at the beginning, they start up as soon as you launch into the game, they start in. And here are the controller prompts. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoyed this type of content.